Hi, it's me, Pam Benny, and I have a Globleland unboxing. I received some items. They had contacted me, and I've done videos before of their products. I really do enjoy them, so let's see what I got this time, and then I will also have two videos showing, demonstrating how they work. So I've got 3 dies and 2 stamps. And this one is a cutting die, and here's the Globleland, and in the description I'll put the item numbers and the link to Globleland. And there are several dies in this package. Here is the item number DIY-WH0309-335. One set. Two dies, and I believe they're like tunnel dies, so you would use them in card making, but I have an idea to use them in a journal, so I'm not sure, would it be like that possibly, or this, but I will do a demonstration. But yeah, they're a nice quality die. This has like leaves and little flowers, little butterfly that would be cut out. And this one has a really pretty hummingbird. I don't have a lot of hummingbird things, but I do love hummingbirds, and it's got flowers and leaves coming down and looks kind of tropical. So those are those dies. I'm going to put them back because I don't want to get them mixed up when I put them in the description box. There's that one. I have this die, DIY-WH0309-360. And there's 3 dies here. And like I said, I think they're meant for cards, but I'm going to figure out how to use them in my journals. There's a cutest little fairy in this square with butterflies and flowers and mushrooms. And then you have this fairy, which would kind of overlap like that. And I'm going to be doing a fairy journal next, after I complete the journal I'm making now. So we'll see what I come up with this little fairy die set with 3 dies. Okay, and have one other die. And one thing you need to look for when you are ordering, some have multiples, which I think, I meant to get one, but sometimes when you order, it's like multiples. That says a 4-piece, so it's SCRA-PW0001-208. And they're the same die, but 4 of them, which so I maybe having a giveaway, although I could cut multiples at one time, but we'll see. But anyway, so there's 4 in this pack, so if you just want one, I try to be really careful not to order more than 1 in the pack, but this seems to have 4 in them, and it is a cutting die like that, and I like it that it has a little like stitching, and I believe there's a tag and different things, but we'll see what we make from this die when I do a tutorial on making this. So I think that's going to be a fun one. Then I got 2 stamps. I got this Globleland silicone clear stamp with the hummingbirds, which are, I think, one of my favorite birds. And there's a beautiful flower arrangement with some daffodils and different flowers here. So we'll just take it out of the package quickly, and it's DIY-WH0167-56-928. And I have one more item after this. You can see it maybe a little better this way. And a pretty little bouquet of flowers. And the hummingbirds. I don't have a lot of hummingbirds, so I'm excited about trying that stamp set out. Okay, and the last one is a mermaid one, because I also need to do a mermaid journal. But I think I will do a fairy one next. And this mermaid one is DIY-WH0167-56-447. I will also have the link in the description. Let's check this one out a little better. I think this will be really fun to use. So you got a mermaid, and you have an octopus and like a shell, clamshell with a pearl and algae or seaweed, starfish. I like the bubbles. And then we have another really cute mermaid. I think those are bubbles. More sea life. And a whale. Bubbles and shells. So that'll be perfect for a mermaid journal. So actually, wow, yeah, it goes this way. There we go. That shows it a lot better. It says have a special day. I really like that whale. And I just like the pictures of the mermaids. Listen to your heart. Be a mermaid. It's a very cute stamp set. So I will be showing how to use these awesome stamp sets and die sets from Globleland. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.